There was a divide inside Gordon House on Tuesday as members debated the proposed National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NAARA bill. We have the details in this report.
All eyes have been on the government's flagship legislative response to Hurricane Melissa's devastation. And so, it's no surprise when the bill was debated in the lower house on Tuesday, concerns were raised, and not only from the opposition. Member of Parliament for St. James West Central Marlene Malahoo Fort broke ranks with the government, arguing that sections of the bill are broad and lacks clarity.
I do not believe that anyone who has spoken has taken issue with the goals that are being pursued. But the concerns are whether the bill in its form will achieve those goals.
She went further.
This is too important for us not to have the kind of buy-in and take into account the very valid concerns that have been raised. So, Madam Speaker, on that note, I invite the Prime Minister piloting the bill and the team to take into account the very valid points that have been made. The bill needs some reworking.
Opposition MP for Manchester Southern Peter Bunting launched a scathing attack and warned that the bill removes critical safeguards and places sweeping authority in the hands of the executives.
This legislation creates an authority with sweeping powers over billions of dollars in reconstruction expenditure, yet strips away the very safeguards that protect public funds. Mr. Speaker, this is not reconstruction governance. This is a fiscal free-for-all.
Opposition leader Mark Golding also had similar concerns.
The law is not clear as to who the Chief Executive Officer reports to. There is a reporting section where the minister can require reports, but that's a different thing from a management perspective and a governance perspective. Who does the CEO report to?
The government, however, is standing firm. State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delana Seabright, defended the legislation, arguing that it provides structure and urgency required to rebuild the country.
This bill establishes a single coordinating authority, again, Clause 4. Structured programs and plans, Clauses 18 and 19. Approved accelerated mechanisms, Clauses 21 to 24. Cabinet accountability. And audit and reporting. This, Madam Speaker, is not chaka-chaka legislation.
The debate on the bill is expected to continue.